Welcome back. In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 what are the quietest RV water pumps to help you enjoy smoother, quieter adventures on the road. Our channel brings you quality videos every day so you can make smarter decisions when choosing the right products for your setup. Number 1. Shot-Off ProGear 3200 RV Water Pump. The ProGear 3200 RV water pump is my top pick for best RV water pump because it's rated highly for its noise levels. Its GPM is 3.3, which is marginally higher than others on this list. Also, it has an 8 feet vertical lift, which is 2 feet higher than the other entries. Although not necessarily a major feature, this pump can be a direct replacement for more common models, so it should fit in most standard RVs. Of course, make sure you check the measurements and fittings, as these will be the clearest signs of compatibility. The pump has a max operating pressure of 150 psi, but its operating pressure is restrained to 45 psi, limited by the shut-off feature. What it means for the user is that it reaches the pressure demanded faster than if it was a model with a max pressure of 45 psi. Number 2. Seaflow 12 3 GPM Water Pump. The Seaflow 3 GPM water pump isn't necessarily a remarkable pump in terms of functionality, but it does the basics very well. Its flow rate is 3 gallons per minute, which is fairly standard for RV water pumps. Its max operating PSI is 45, which is on the lower end of what you want. However, it's still enough to give you decent water pressure, providing you don't plan to push it too hard. For example, you might not want to operate more than one water source at once. The pump is self-priming, which helps with setup and efficient operation. It can also run dry, which is another useful safety feature. In short, it prevents you from causing damage if your freshwater tank empties. Plenty of reviewers state how quiet this pump is. Again, we don't have a decibel rating, and without any, user feedback is the best indicator. On the other hand, some users state it's not very powerful. Number 3. Rec Pro RV Water Pump. The Rec Pro RV water pump comes with an optional silencer, which is ideal for our needs. The silencer kit includes flexible water pipes and also a strainer that's designed to stop debris from entering the pump. While this isn't completely necessary, it does at least reduce the chances of your pump breaking. It has a maximum PSI of 150 and normal operating pressure of 45 PSI like the ProGear 3200. The flow rate tops 3 gallons per minute. These are both fairly standard measurements, as this pump can be used as a direct replacement for several base models. Plenty of users state it's quieter than the pump it was replacing, particularly with the silencer attachment. Octably come, the pump has all the standard features you need, such as being self-priming, backflow, and dry run protection. Also, it has low power draw, 8 amp, meaning you can divert more battery power to things like your RV AC unit. Number 4. FlowMax Water Pump for RVs. This FlowMax water pump operates at 50 psi, which is marginally higher than many others on this list. While a difference of 5 psi doesn't sound like much, it's enough to give your taps a bit more force. You might not need this when washing up, but it'll help when you're having a shower. Its motor is corrosion resistant, always a plus when working with water. The same is true for the valves. And it also has a fitted screen to prevent debris from getting inside the pump. This is a helpful feature because it should prolong its lifespan. As with other RV water pumps, it operates at 3 GPM and has dry run protection. This is for the 12V model. Although the company also makes a 115V mains connected version. The latter delivers the same pressure and flow, but needs a higher voltage supply. Number 5. Seaflow Variable Flow Water Pump. This Seaflow pump is variable speed. As mentioned, this can help to reduce noise levels because the pump doesn't need to cycle. It can operate at lower speed, which can reduce vibrations. In terms of actual performance, its flow rate is the same as most other water pumps, 3.0 GPM. However, its PSI is 55, making it the most powerful on this list. So, While its GPM is the same as other pumps, the water flow will feel stronger thanks to its higher pressure. Its other functional features are fairly similar to the Pro Gear. It's self-priming up to 6 feet. It can run dry, and it has bypass technology. The only reason it didn't win top spot is that its GPM is lower. That said, compared to the other 3 GPM water pumps on this list, this Seaflow is a clear winner.